DSI ZenGraft more than just a socket graft. A simple alternative to your typical graft and membrane technique to repair a defect, with no risk of membrane dislodgement or particulate washout. ZenGraft infuses bone graft into a collagen plug to eliminate the problems associated with particulate migration. The plug is cut in halves and hydrated with patient blood from the surgical site, and, if desired, autologous serum or other growth factors before delivery. The ZenGraft material can be easily folded after hydration or during the placement with a blunt instrument for additional bone width and stability. By following this technique, you eliminate issues associated with particulate migration by filling the void spaces of the defects and promoting healthy bone growth. The bioactive resorbable bovine graft and Achilles tendon collagen work together to control the migration of connective tissues for faster healing. Prevent particulate washout by covering and containing particulates with ZenGraft. Order today.
Brought to you by DSI.